Hey, what's up everybody, Sam here. So today we are going to take a quick look at the newly released Redmi 12 Turbo. Alright, first to the unboxing, Redmi Note 12 Turbo. Wow, just all black. Let's just go really quick. So on the first layer we have the pin, which I will use later. A phone case and menu, this paperwork. And then we have the foam, and the one we got is this black color. We also have other colors like the blue, deep blue, and the white and the blue one. Oh no, I will just put it on the screen here. You can check it out. Under that we have the 67 watts charger and a cable, Type A to Type C cable, and that's it. Now to the phone. So let's go over the design really quick. Actually, I did that yesterday. At the top, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, also the AR blaster. Some of you guys asked, will they have the AR blaster? Yes, it has, all right? And on the bottom, we have the Type C cable, speaker, and also the SIM card slot. Some of you guys are interested to know whether it supports SD card or something. Obviously, it does not. Just a dual SIM card, dual standby, and that's it. And here, the volume rocker and the power key, that's also the fingerprint scanner. And this is the camera module. Oh, and speaking of that, they also have the Harry Potter edition, which I will translate the video very soon. Stay tuned for that. It's just full of magic, right? It's awesome, it's outstanding, full of details. Stay tuned for that. And the back is plastic. It feels plastic and looks plastic, and yeah, that's why it's so thin. It's lightweight, you know, but feels a little bit cheap. But yeah, you got it. You got what you paid for. One of the things you might be interested is the thin bezel. What do you think? It looks maybe not that thin, but very comfortable. Let me just use some corny TikTok. Do you want me to do this test for you? Okay, I have to ask the manager, you know. But looks cool, right? You can use your phone to make cool shots like this.
Let's go, girl.
Okay, that's the sound. Now let's just move to the camera, right? Let's see what resolution it offers. So we have 4K 30 fps, 1080 60 fps, and that's the camera, the rear camera. Let's switch to the front. So the front it supports 1080p 60 fps, all right? So now let's just you know, take some photos and videos which you guys love to see. All right, let's go. One more, two, 5. Let's take 1060, all right? Okay, I'm in the wrong way. Okay. Okay, I'm in the wrong way. Okay. That's pet room. Pet room. Okay, that's 1080 60 FPS. Okay, 4K. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay, 4K. Oh, I'm out of breath. 4K. What if I run away, with the phone, steal the phone? Would the call police? So let me know if it's stable. I don't know. Now 1080 60, no, yeah, 60 FPS. And by the way, this phone is the first phone that features the Snapdragon 7 Plus second generation. So here is the Antutu. Let's check like how much is like 800K. So it's definitely short of 1 million, the official information said. So we just test again. Okay. All right, I'm running Antutu again. At the same time, you can see the screen, whether you like it or not. So, it's like 900K. That's not bad, right? But what before is like 800, it's so less. Okay, as you can see, the maximum temperature is 40 degrees. Feels fine. So that's the Antutu benchmark. Not bad, right? You can only imagine all these days, this so powerful, these phones. It's unimaginable for phones before. And also, as some of you guys requested, we're gonna compare it with the Note 12 Pro Plus, this one, and the Turbo Pro Plus. So which one do you think will win? Okay, let's just go outside and take some photos. Let's go.